Separate facts from the fiction. Live hood, see what's under your engine. Anywho, we in, know we flexing. Try fast, got a nasty addiction. Separate facts from the fiction. Live hood, see what's under your engine. Anywho, we in, know we flexing. Drive fast, got a nasty addiction. Chicago to Yabuco, while we wildin', you know we riding. Do it for the fam back on the island. Go so hard, we ain't playing, I promise. Mr2, you know how we do. Custom made, everything brand new. Hit a red right before the burn, pulling off like a scab when he make the turn. Hey, like we fine.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. This was going to be a little bit of a different episode. It's preparing for the Midwest Mr2 Owners Meet. Hosting it as Nasty Addiction Garage, but I've been an avid, as you guys know, I've been an avid Mr2 owner for a really long time. These are the shirts, guys. Got my shirt on. Excited to see everybody match the new faces with the new cars and the new, I mean, everything. Just make new friends. This is going to be great, guys. So let's jump into the Jeep and let's go. So the Jeep is all loaded. We have all the prizes, things from Mr2 Heaven, we have things from Auto Extrude, we have things from Super Class, we have things from Prime Mr2. I'm running probably a little bit late, but you know, it is what it is. So let's jump into this car and let's go. tacos, guys. The taco guys are here. We have all the tacos.
How you doing, brother?
Oh, that wing came out nice. Came out real nice, sir. everybody, we made it back here to Nasty Addiction Garage. I first and foremost want to thank everybody for showing up. Midwest MR2 group, you guys are some kick-ass group of people. I love every single one of you guys. You guys are all great, and thank you for showing up and having a good time. This big shout out is to all the sponsors. Guys, you made this meet. Prime MR2, thank you for every year putting up some awesome merch, some awesome stuff. Without a peep, thank you guys. You guys are phenomenal. And next, MR2 Heaven, Richard and Eric, thank you so much for your contribution as well. Same thing goes for Auto Extrude. Guys, you guys are great. Those keychains are amazing. And lastly, Superclass, you guys are phenomenal as well. You guys always have supported me from day one, along with Prime. Thank you so much. I mean, I don't know. I'm at a loss for words for how awesome you guys all are. And remember, like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry I'm sweating. It's hot. It's 90 degrees here. But remember, like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourselves and each other. Until next time, peace, guys.
Separate facts from the fiction. Live hood, see what's under your engine. Any hood we in, are we flexing? Drop fast, got a nasty addiction. Separate facts from the fiction.